So Team Hapinoy, we are here at the reception of Silver Mounts Hotel and we are in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and this is the city of Cambodia. So this is the reception of Silver Mounts Hotel and you won't miss it. This is the actual building of Silver Mounts Hotel. This is not a sponsored video. We just wanted to share our experience here in Silver Mounts Hotel. So if you're looking for a hotel when you are in Cambodia, you can consider this one as it has an excellent review given by some of the people who've stayed here. They're giving it 3 stars and 8.2 for the excellent location. And I would definitely agree with the location because everything in Silver Mounts is just walking distance if you're looking for food. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell. This is your dining area. So if you're just passing by in Cambodia and you're looking for an affordable, good hotel, this is one hotel that we could recommend. So we're now entering our room. We got a twin sharing room. By the way, we'll be staying here for an overnight stay here in Cambodia before we're traveling to Vietnam. So join us guys if you have do consider following us if you want to see the other options, hotel food that we have tasted. So it comes with your toiletries, basic amenities for your toilet and bath. It also comes with water heater, clean bathroom. Not bad, but if you're looking for luxury, this is not the hotel for you. But if you're just looking for a place to stay, use it as a base, then this is one hotel that you can consider in your many travels here in Asia. So this is our first time here in Cambodia and so far it's so good. There are many different food, typical similar to Thai food. So if you're in for some spice, this could be a place for you. So that's your mini bar. This is your coffee and tea set with water. So the water and the coffee tea set comes with free. It also has its fridge. The view. Okay, so we're in the mid-town of Cambodia. So this is the typical buildings here. Not complaining. As it is not an obstructed view, which is good already, as I've considered it good. Comes with television, air condition, big enough beds, not too small, not too big, just enough for one person, or a family also could stay with some kids. Also has its safety vault for your valuables. No need to worry. So if you happen to be in this area, you may consider Silver Mounts Hotel as a place for you to stay. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. We just wanted to share our experience here in Phnom Penh. Do follow us if you want to join us in our adventure, and it has its remote, TV channel guide, aircon remote. Then look at the details of the bed lining showing the Cambodian cultural heritage that goes for both beds. That's a simple room tour here in Cambodia. So hold on guys, we're still going to tell you the price of Silver Mounts Hotel for the room rates. No? So the room rate for Silver Mounts Hotel is only 992 if you book it in, I think this is booking.com. And comes with breakfast. So that will be your option if you opt for that one. So very affordable here in Silver Mounts Hotel in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. But off to our next adventure. I think we're going to S21, the genocide camp. I don't know if we can get some videos, but hopefully we can get some glimpse of what happened here in Cambodia, here in S21 genocide camp. So follow us for more, guys, if you want to join us in our adventure.